Hello, my lovely and creative friend. You've been thinking about making videos, tutorials, demos, maybe even full online classes, but something's holding you back. I get it, there isn't any time, the tech feels overwhelming, and maybe being on camera feels awkward. But listen, video doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It can be easy. It doesn't have to feel performative or fake. It can be authentic. I'm Lyric Montgomery Kennard, and I've been helping creatives just like you, artists, quilters, makers, learn how to make video the easy way. No fancy gear, no editing rabbit holes, just an efficient, repeatable process using the phone you already own and the knowledge you already have, filming the things you're already doing. This course isn't about going viral or becoming an influencer. It's about making real, helpful videos that let your audience clearly see what you're creating, understand what you're teaching, and authentically connect with you from anywhere in the world. In the video making crash course, I'll walk you through what gear you need and what you absolutely don't. Simple camera setups that work for creative, hands-on work. A workflow you can follow every time you film with minimal editing, and checklists and templates so you don't get stuck or overwhelmed. Whether you're sharing quick tips on Instagram, uploading tutorials to YouTube, or building a course, you'll learn to film in a way that's easy, authentic, doable, and aligned with how you actually teach. And once you're in, you get access to everything long-term. You can also join our monthly coaching calls to ask questions, troubleshoot your tech, or just get a little encouragement. You already have something worth teaching. Let's make it visible. Join me in the video making crash course and let's get you started right away. I can't wait to see what you create.